Makantak pa si isa, yak pa pusublat hinan sumorno. Hanak. Adu-adusan yat di pegawai matago. Wan. Nakalakalasi, basta manggagita. But if you look at the basic things on how to live a good life, kulang san manlulwalo ta, kulang san manap-apologize ta, mapika ka taman ubla ka, no work, no pay. Tano adi ka man talabako, med kalagbuam, no med lagbom, med isapong si bawi mo, med ilakong si kanong, med paguskilan di ubing, kun med pagkulay di asawa. Ito nga si kasam, manggagat katawa ikulay ahawa mo. Working hard every day, body's aching. Seems like it never ends. Every night I hit my bed, take a good rest, ready for the next day. No work, no pay. No pay, no place to stay, no food to eat. You pay the price you take. Nothing is free. Nothing is free. Growing up, I saw the same thing Mama and Daddy did, but they never complained. They're watching their little children like a stairway. They're working hard for their needs. No work, no pay. No pay, no place to stay, no food to eat. You pay the price you take. Nothing is free. Nothing is free. I need food, I need shelter, I need to live. That's all what we want. The future we can't see, but if we work hard, then we're worry free. No work, no money. No money, no honey. No honey, no baby. No baby, no love. Whoa, whoa. Baby, baby. Honey, honey. Take my money. Love me, baby, tonight. No work, no pay. Salamat po.